We have a new way of trading with Quotex by having a simple strategy with almost an 80 to 95% chance of winnings. We got more wins over losses with this trading method. Trading with the OTC market and became profitable. One way of achieving this is by having discipline and planning throughout your daily trading. You must first plan what ideal earnings you can have for the whole week or month. To view indicator settings, see the description below and use it for our 10-second strategy. Let's find a currency pair to trade with. Take a look at this one. It creates a reversing pattern here for a 10-second candle bar. Our Weis waves volume oscillator begins a second bar here, indicating a potential reversal market. But it already makes a red bar. Anyway, let's trade with it and go for lower. We were setting our period or expiry time of 10 seconds. With a candle bar of 10 seconds. With CCI indicator and the Weis waves volume oscillator. We got lost on that one. It was my mistake on late trade. There is good momentum here. A reversing candle. We will wait for this green candle bar here to create another green candle going up. We also see that our CCI also at the lowest resistance level. There's a higher chance that the trend will go up for 10 seconds. It creates the second green bar here. Let's trade higher on it. Good trading result for that trade. Let's find another reliable charting position to trade with. A moderate charting with good winning possibility here. Having a rigid waves based on its previous minutes. A reversal candle here. Let's wait for the second bar to appear. Then let's trade go up. With our CCI also going uptrend. Perfect strategy for 10 seconds. There is another instance for this method. Creating a long wick with a potential reversal of 10 seconds candle. While creating double red bars with CCI going lower. A better chance to win, and let's trade lower. Got lost on that trade. Have a practice on this method and you will rewarded with great winnings. See the rest of the video and follow us. Subscribe to get latest updates trading with Quotex and other trading brokers.